Hi guys, so prepare an order with me. We have two orders of matcha, one matcha latte and one strawberry cookie matcha. Start off by heating up our water. This is our sweetener. So here are our cups. We're gonna prepare the strawberry matcha, which is one of the best-seller creation ni Pert. Okay. In process when you're making matcha latte. Of course, weigh in the matcha powder. This is my matcha. Just a few more. Yan. Once it's done, heat. Time will heat. We're done with this. I'm gonna put the water. Yeah. Okay. Make sure to weigh everything para mas uniform yung lasa ng ibebenta yung matcha. Another one. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna power whisk. Pati whisking process doon sa Matchanis workshop itinuro nila. So, if you want to learn more about matcha, I suggest you join a workshop. Not specifically Matchanis lang. Kung gusto nyo talaga yung full course, alam ko may mga nag-o-offer online. Alright. Once it's done, then you're satisfied dun sa matcha. Now, proceed dun sa ating sweetener. Wait. Since this is strawberry matcha, we're gonna add our strawberry mix. Yeah. Let's add more. And now we're gonna put the syrup. Let's put the syrup. It's like drinking a cup of blueberry matcha. Ganun yung lasa niya. Kasi si Pert milig mag-explore ng lasa ng mga mix. Mix. Ganyan daw ihalo, sabi ni Pert. And then, on this one, the difference dun sa latte, sa bottom part yung matcha. Okay. Alright. And then, dito natin lalagay yung milk. Haluin muna natin siya. And we use both sides. Para yung residue ng matcha is kasama. Then, boosh. Ganun siya. Ganun siya ilagay. And then, last yung yellow. Excuse. So, it's gonna look something like this. Cute. Okay. Okay, so now we have the focus. Now we will proceed with the milk. And so, probably ito lang yung mapapakita kong palubat na pala yung camera. So, I'm just gonna let you guys see the finished product. Now, we're gonna put the, not sure if kita, ating non-spill paper for delivery. So, something like this. Okay, ito na yung tag for the orders. Ito sa drinks, pero hindi malitok. Which is which? So, this is matcha latte. Thank you kay Ate Ruby na nagbigay sa amin itong mga gamit for the drinks. Yan. So, yan. Ayan siya. So cute. Yan. Deliver ko na. Bye! Prepare na. Order with me. Sa susunod, isasama ko na yung sa sandwich. Pag may order ng sandwich. Kasi hindi available yung tinapay na binibili namin. So, medyo last week pa siyang unavailable. So, hopefully this coming week, magkaroon na ng stock na binibili